Food contact surfaces should be washed, rinsed, sanitized, and air dried every 4 hours during continuous use at room temperature. This includes deli slicers and knives for food preparation. A system needs to be in place for stationary equipment, like a deli slicer, to determine when the equipment was placed into service and when the next cleaning is due. For example, a cleaning log, a timer, or even writing the time for the next cleaning on the side of the slicer with a dry erase marker are all acceptable procedures. The internal components of an ice machine is considered a food contact surface and must be cleaned appropriately. Equipment stored on the clean equipment rack should be cleaned and ready for use. Slicers should be disassembled and all components properly washed, rinsed, sanitized, and air dried at the correct frequency. Utensils should be stored in a clean container with handles up to prevent contamination. The correct procedure for warewashing is wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry. Sanitization may be with a chemical sanitizer such as chlorine or quaternary ammonia or heat. It is important to remember that chemical sanitizers must be tested in room temperature water to ensure an accurate reading and used per MSDS instructions. Your procedures should ensure the food is always protected from contamination. For example, chemicals should be stored away from food. Food products should be stored at least 6 inches off the floor, and food in storage should be properly covered. Food must come from an approved source. For example, local-made products in home kitchens are not permitted to be sold to your facility for resale. It is your responsibility to ensure all foods are from a permitted source and safe.